Hi, good day, Ma'am Shella Pleat. Can you tell me about yourself?
Uh, Hello, good afternoon. I'm Shella Saranio Plead, 37 years old, single mom, have one kid. Um, Daughter, I mean, she's 12 years old now, and
All right, then please tell me your educational background.
um, I'm only secondary high school graduate. Um, and then I'm go to abroad, like I go to Qatar 2 years and 3 months only. Finish my contract.
All right, then where do you live?
I live in I live in Before I live in Cebu, but now I transfer here in Rojas Capiz
All right,
City.
okay. Then do you have siblings? Do you have brothers and sisters?
I'm only child.
No, all right.
My mother and father also died already.
All right. Then how would you describe yourself?
Um, about for work, I can describe myself. I'm hardworking. No need to no need to um do this, do that, but I can follow whatever the employer says to me. I can follow. I'm good listener. Um, Also, I'm trustworthy. Even the work,
Okay. Then why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply abroad because I need for my daughter's future.
All right. Then do you have work experience abroad?
I have experience abroad in Doha, Qatar, 2 years and 3 months. In Hong Kong, only 9 months, and in Singapore, 5 years, ma'am.
Alright. Then please tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Qatar, Hong Kong, and Singapore.
Uh, my responsibility when I was in Qatar is taking child. When I came to their house, my sorry, the baby is toddler, 3 years old, 3 years old, and then when I was in Hong Kong, we are two helper in the house, and then I'm cleaning, and then the other helper is cooking. But only 9 months. And then when I was in Singapore, 5 years, my first contract, my first employer since I came to Singapore, I taking care of toddler 6 years old and 4 years old. I'm
Alright.
taking them for going to school. No need to pick up because their mother gonna pick them up. I just preparing them how to sleep, preparing them for their food.
Okay. Then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
Alright. Then
Actually,
how
I love kids.
alright. Then how would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
It's um for the baby like that. I already taking care like that when I was in Singapore, ma'am. Because the others the younger the younger brother of my employer's kid is there is something not totally I mean, I could not tell that he is there is something to him, but still I can manage to take care of him about naughty. Yes, like that, ma'am.
All right. Then, how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I need to take care. I need to wake up to take care of her or him, uh, to feed a milk or change diaper, something like if there is what's happening to them, I need to wake up and take care of them.
All right. Then, what will you do if you become homesick?
I need to tell to my employer if possible I could not work. I just tell to them that like this I'm not I'm not in a good health today, or I'm not in a good condition, so that they can give me, or I can take um
All right. Then, what will you do if you become homesick?
if I'm in a homesick, because we could not tell that you're strong if you miss your family. I just make busy myself doing my um course.
All right. Then, you will just focus on your household chores, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
All right.
Actually, I don't have yet the experience to take care of cats and dog, but I'm willing to take take care of them, because
Okay.
here at the house I have cat.
All right. Okay. Then, how do you describe your cooking skills?
For my cooking skills, ma'am, actually my first employer in Qatar, I'm not totally cooking, because my employer, she's the one who cook. And then when I was in Sing Hong Kong, the other Filipina, she's the one who cook also. And then when I was in Singapore, only the baby I gonna cook for them for their food. So I just followed the recipe. For unfortunately I can follow, and then I can cook, but I could not tell that it's like same in the restaurant, that's perfect,
All
but I
right.
can follow, I can read.
So, are you willing to try or to learn new dishes?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing to learn and
All right.
to
Okay.
follow.
Then, are you a fast learner in the new dishes?
Yes, ma'am, I'm fast learner.
All right. Then, do you have any food allergy?
Don't have, ma'am.
All right. Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
I can promise, ma'am.
All right. Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
I can promise, ma'am.
All right. Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any body tattoo? All
Only one, ma'am. I have.
right. Okay. Then are you willing to share room with the children?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Are you
willing.
Okay. Then are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
All right. Then for the last question, Ma'am Sheila, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
My last message to them, I hope they can hire me. I promise I can do whatever they gonna ask me to do. Like, as long as I know it's not bad and I can follow them. I'm hardworking person. I'm also fast learner, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.